Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Agent Sasco has teamed up with dancehall artist Popcaan for the remix of his hit single Banks of the Hope, which is featured on his chart-topping album Hope River. The remix comes on the heels of Agent Sasco's recent performance at Popcaan's inaugural Unruly Fest in St. Thomas. The two entertainers were recently captured inside Sasco's Diamond Studios, where they released the first preview of the epic remix. The track was officially released on January 2. Banks of the Hope captures the overall theme and feel of the latest project. Sasco grew up in the community of Kintyre on the banks of Hope River, in which he drew the inspiration for the project from. Dancehall artist Governor is gearing up for the release of his debut project, titled Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same, slated for release in coming weeks. Human and Monsters Are Not the Same will see works from several noted producers, namely Chimney Records, LMR Pro, and Dream Team, among others. The compilation will feature collaborations from his peers, with 2018 being the most successful year of his growing musical career. With the release of a few hit tracks, Governor is content with the reviews he has been receiving. Governor recently debuted the lead single Champ, followed by The Light, featuring reggae star Dre Island. The track is the number 15 trending video on YouTube 4 days after being released. Prior to the full release of the project, a few tracks will be premiered over the course of the coming weeks, each accompanied by an official video. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.